Hi there, welcome to the EBM course. Today we are going to discuss the guidelines under the title Acquiring the Evidence. First, let me remind you briefly about our last session. We discussed the mesh terms last time. You should remember what the mesh terms are: medical subject heading, what these are, where do we find them, and what the purpose of the mesh terms is. And a question regarding MCQ question regarding this could look something like this. In which section of the scientific article do we need the medical subject headings terms under the title, keywords, introduction, results, or discussion? Actually, for those who are familiar with scientific manuscripts, it is a very easy question. Today, my objectives are, at the end of this session, you should be able to describe types and levels of evidence that support practice guidelines. So levels of evidence and what types of guidelines we have. Then describe the criteria that ensure trustworthiness. Which criteria do we use to check for the trustworthiness of guidelines?